And how you export the provider templates table from Access to Excel. Click on external data and then click on Excel, destination, browse, and CRL, and then provider templates here, save, and check that. Click on OK. And so here they go here. You can see that it's this one. If click on that to open it. See it's here. Is howTo ID just for the purpose of demonstrating how to access. So I'll save that. I'm going to open up Access. I've clicked open. Double click on that. Stand up. External data. New data source. One file. Data. And then we're going to browse. And go to this one, this one, this one, and then this is the one we just did. Double click, and then import this rest into a new table. Click OK, then run. And then you can look at it. It goes, which worksheet do you want? I want to provide a templates worksheet. Look at this. It looks okay. This one contains column headings. Next. It's here. As is, you can click here. Duration is a double number. Short text. 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 And text. Like next. If you want to add a primary key, you can. But you can say, no primary key. And next. Import the table. And finish. Import. Wait for it. Maybe export steps. Just click close. Double click, and you'll see. And then once you adjust this, you right click and save. So the next time you open it, it'll be the same way. So here we can speed on rank. Then we right click, save. Then we can open it again. Keeps the format. I'll save as images. And save this, close the objects. Let's hit out. Let's go for the CRL. If we zoom, save it.